Apart from Quezon City being dubbed as the City of Stars, it has also been dubbed as the City of New Horizons. From the culture to lifestyle, name it, everything is incredibly accessible. And today, they are adding a new element in the tourism scene as they host the first ever travel expo in the Northern Metro. That is why today, we are joined by the local government unit of Quezon City. Can you please give a big round of applause to the local government of Quezon City? Ayan, nandito sila ngayong umaga. Maraming salamat po for your support. That is to celebrate this incredible milestone with us. And
isang magandang umaga mga Pilipino, Kitang at Kinuon, lalo-lalo po sa mga kaibigan natin nasa media.